Umuhanda gw'omukibuga cy'ishomero ogwa Kikonko Butyaba obwa hati gushweshurwa amizi hamwe na fence yo mu kibuga cy'ishomero.
Flood, it has entered past the gate. Now few meters, around 30 meters, to submerge the school buildings.
Umwami Wilfred Kugonza Magambo uri umwebembezi w'ishomereri nagira ngo nagezaho kurinda abana kiri kubasika konko mwene batoroka benda korabo mu muhanda gurumwa amizi hamwe no gazaniramo.
Put the safety measures to the children, talking to them, sensations, but much as also we are doing all that one. A child is a child. Sometimes they escape.
Oguyahamya kwenyamishwe zimwe ezirikutura mu mizi nkenjubu hamwe na Goonya zarebeshero mu mizaga agariyo mu kibuga hamwe no mu muhanda gw'ishomero.
They are now aquatic animals like crocodiles, elephants. They all now roam around within the school compound, which are threat to our children.
Kugonza yashaba gavumenti ukoraka kubatekatekaho bakafurira ishomereri ahabo kuba mu rundo gwa kabiri nugoreka ngutine chango ekiri kuzagarika nyuma nko kubabire bari.
I would request a government to think more about this school, to relocate, to put a plan to relocate in a safer place, because this is now a second attempt. A flood is attempting to submerge the school.
Omwejemere ngo gumwe gutwira makaga abantu kandi ori chairman wa Butyaba Town Council local government Moses Asaba yashaba government kwirukangira abantu aba bakabiho mwanya ogu ngo kubarukorera abandi omnyanye ndije rukufune bizubonkebi.
Gamba government erugeyo ejerole etugulira amataka amabata abantu abahereze nko kuyekozere karamoja. Na nkoko ekozere ntoroko bundu bugyo na kasese abantu babahire sente bakubagulira amabati byokulya okurora abantu tibalina agenda umuntu talina kyakora.
Oguyagarika yashobora ko abantu bamwe bari kutekateka mu government neyenda kozesa mu gishogu okwibitaka ngo habo kubaharumwa amashita na gasi.
Engude zino itwe nk'abantu tikimanyire government akakorana kigendera cya mafuta nikyo koraga abantu nibagamba rundi government ekwenda amayizi gatutere turugeho besigaze byaitu nabantu mbagamba tujja kurugaho.
Abataka bandi bashaba government kubirukangira ahabo kuba magara gabo bwa hati gariyo mukabukamani bwanyuma y'amakagabo kushwekwa mizi.
Ili tulikuwa nazijua ati ameenda tena tayari amerudi. Sasa hisi bado jua tafanya je, tunataka tu government atusaidie. Maji iko mingi, manyumba yote iko kwa maji. Sasa iko shida.
Hali iko mbaya sana. Maji ilikuja elibu mali yetu yote sasa. Majengo yote faza kulala hakuna. Nalala kwa maji kama samaki.
Amakuru agagasha kwa God Asaba abwa Sky Television again strong.